Wheels on the bus.
Hello! You are both looking very happy.
It's my first day at school. I am going to sit in the bus for the first time.
Mine too.
It is a big bus.
It has so many windows and 2 doors. The person who takes you to school and brings you back is called a driver. He or she has a helper too.
How does the bus move? It is such a big thing.
It moves with the help of an engine and wheels. Like the engine of a choo-choo train or a car. Yes. Let us now listen to the poem Wheels on the Bus. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. On how many wheels does a bus move? 4. The driver of the bus sits right in front. Does he sit on the right side or left side?
Right side.